friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss fourth question. Verify that 1 minus 1 and plus 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. So they are given the polynomial, cubic polynomial, and check the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So actually, as we know, that is ax square plus bx plus c, that is the quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is like, that is p of x will be equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this is the expression. So you can write it in the generalized format, that is what you can write here is, in the place of a we will take it as k. Some kx cube, again minus, here plus is there means here minus, that is k into alpha plus beta. So three zeros will be alpha, beta, gamma. So here alpha plus beta, as we know alpha plus beta and gamma into x square, here minus is there for that plus. So k into what you can write, some constant here alpha beta, sum of the product of the two zeros, alpha beta, beta gamma, then gamma alpha, alpha gamma, you can write it like that, into x minus alpha beta gamma. So this is the cubic polynomial, that is the standard way to write. Then here a will be equal to k, that is b will be equal to alpha beta gamma into k. So as we saw, a plus b, that is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and alpha beta product of that, that is c by a. So here also standard is there. So what is the sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta gamma, that will be equal to, what is that, minus b by a. So this is the way standard. For this it is minus b by a. Then what is another one? The another one will be alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha or alpha gamma. That is here minus b by a is there, right? For that it is c by a. So minus means plus. So like that we can remember. Then alpha beta gamma will be equal to, what is that here is, minus d by a, minus d by a. So these are the standard ways. So here minus is there first one, again for second one it is c by a, again third one it is minus is there. For that it is, this is the standard formulas for that. Let's going to substitute the values. This is the polynomial, the p of x, they are given that x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. If you substitute these three values here, then it will get 0, means then it is the zeros. Then what we have to check it here is, so here alpha beta gamma relation we have to check it. Then after that we will move on to the actual one. So what is the here, this is one is, so they are given the zeros in the place of x, and we have to find it p of x. So let's take alpha is equals to 1, that implies p of alpha, that will be equal to alpha cube minus 3 alpha square minus alpha plus 3. Let's going to substitute p of 1. So alpha value is 1, that is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3. So we will get 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. So here what is that? So what 1 plus 3 will be 4 minus 4, that will be equal to 0. Yes, it is alpha is equals to 1 is the 0, one of the 0. Let's going to take another one. The beta will be equal to minus 1, that implies p of beta will be equal to beta cube minus 3 beta square minus beta plus 3. That implies here, what you can take it, that p of minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 whole cube, then 3 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 whole cube means here it is odd, for that what we will get minus 1 as it is. So for my 2 is the even, for that it is 3. So minus 3 into 1 we will get, minus into minus will become plus 1 plus 3. So here minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus 3. So this is the expression. So what we will get, minus 4 plus 4, both will going to cancel, then what we are getting, 0. Therefore what you can say, beta is equals to minus 1 is also the 0 of the given polynomial. Let's take another one, the b alpha and gamma. So here actually this is the gamma, this is not alpha, so this is gamma symbol. So let's going to substitute, the gamma will be equal to 3. The expression will be, so gamma will be equal to 3, that implies p of gamma will be equal to gamma cube minus 3 into gamma square minus gamma plus 3. That implies P of 3 that will be equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square. Again, what you can take? Minus 3 plus 3. So here minus 3 plus 3 as usual it will going to cancel. Then 3 cube will be 27 minus 3 into 9, that is 27 minus 27, it will going to 0. So here all the, if you substitute the values of alpha, beta, gamma, so here gamma will be equal to 3 is the 0. So we have proved that both are equal to zeros. Next one. So what we have to take it here is, let's going to find out the relations. So what is the relation here is alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus b by a. Sum of the zeros minus b by a in the given expression. So minus alpha plus beta plus gamma will be equal to, what is that? So let's going to calculate what is this. So alpha beta gamma, what they are given, 1 minus 1 plus 3. 1 minus 1 plus 3. So 1 minus 1, this will going to cancel. 1, that will be 1 minus 1 plus 3. So both are will going to cancel 3. Then what is b by a? That is minus b by a. That is coefficient of, what is that? So here coefficient of x square minus of coefficient of x square by, so if it is x square means here we will get x. In a quadratic polynomial we will get x here. Below down x square we will get. Here cubic, right? For that it is 2x square. Then coefficient of x cube. So what is the expression here? The expression is like this. So let's take what is the expression. Let's keep it that one. So x cube minus 3x square. What is the coefficient here? This one, minus 3. So let's going to substitute here, minus of minus 3 by coefficient of x square. For that it is 1, it is there. So 1, then what we will get? 3. So here it is matching. So here also 3, here also 3. Next one. Then product of this one, alpha beta and beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So let's going to substitute the values here. The value of alpha is equals to 1. Then beta will be equal to minus 1 plus beta is equals to minus 1, gamma will be equal to 3. Then plus 3, 1 will be, alpha will be 1. So minus into minus, minus into plus minus, 1 into 1, 1. Then minus into plus will be minus, 1 3 the 3, then 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will going to cancel. What expression we are getting here? The expression is minus 1. Let's keep it like this. This is 1. So this expression is equal to c by a. As we know, c by a. So c by a we are going to calculate here. So what is a c by a? C is equals to what? One more thing. C by a, that is coefficient of x. So coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x is what here? The coefficient of x in this is, what is that? X will be equal to minus 1. So that is, so here minus 1. So as usual here minus 1. So let's keep it like this, minus 1 by x cube is 1. Then what we are getting? Minus 1 are equal to both of that. Let's keep what is alpha, beta, gamma. So what is the product of alpha, beta, gamma? So alpha, beta, gamma will be equal to, let's substitute, the alpha is equals to, this is minus d by a. So as we know, alpha is equals to 1, beta will be equal to minus 1, gamma will be equal to 3. Their product is minus 3. Then minus d by a, what is the expression? This is minus of constant term. So minus constant term by a is equals to what? Coefficient of x cube. So minus of constant term is what? The constant term is here plus 3. Constant term is plus 3 whole divided by 1. So minus into plus minus 3. So this is the way to find out the solutions. So here we have shown that equal with the formulas. So before stopping this, so we'll check one more time. This is the expression x square plus bx square, x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So these are the remaining things, that is constant values, which we're going to write like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please try to share with your friends and family members.